I'm a goat. Bah, bah. As you can see here, this is how I wake up in the morning, very unkempt, and then I'll transform into these. So here you are. Step one, I just finished the shower, obviously done my hair, but I haven't touched my beard. And step one is dry the beard with the hair dryer before even styling it, trimming it, putting it into a nice order. So let's go and dry the beard. Obviously, you're gonna need a hair dryer, as the beard is still not that long. I don't use a roller brush. I use one of these oval brushes from Beardbrand. What I do basically is comb the hell out of it down before I even dry. I didn't dry with a towel either because obviously I've been doing my hair and all that, and I just let it be before I got here. So as you can see, it's already starting to tame. This is going to help me dry into position. Hair dryer, whatever your favorite hair dryer is, medium heat. I'm going to point the heat and brush at the same, so I want it to be nice and tamed before I move on to step two. So that's beard dried, almost tamed. Looks, as you can see, very untamed. Not bad, but we need to now move on to step two. So step two will be trimming the neckline. As I'm growing the beard long, I want to get some density on my neck beard. However, this needs to grow a bit longer before, otherwise, if you guys see from the side, start to look like I'm a goat. Bah, bah. Yeah, so from the sides you will see it's quite long on the neck and longer than the chin. So this density is not needed just yet, but I will longer stop trimming it on the neck once this chin beard is got a little bit longer, and I can just then do kind of that. But for now, this is longer than that, and it's making me look like a goat. So that's the first step, is trimming the neckline and take some density, well, some length out of the neck beard. Let's comb the hell out of it. And for that, I'm gonna need a trimmer. Where's my trimmer? Finally, I can use my hand after, I don't know, a month now since I broke my wrist. Removed the stitches a few days ago and cast and everything, so I've got a splint. And I can use my hand. This thumb is still hard to move, but hey ho. So what I'm gonna do is, using a lovely comb, I am going to comb out a little bit so I can see. I'm gonna first of all comb all of the chin down, and then these, you need to bring it out to see how much density I need to take out. So let's go. No guard for me. You can call me stupid or brave, but don't need a guard for this. You just need to trust yourself. Boom. Or you can get the scissors. Freestyle it. I'm looking down there because that's where my mirror is. I hope I haven't lost track of this and you guys can still see very well. So always recomb just to check if you're happy with the length and how it's sitting. I'm pretty happy there, yes. Now this side, I think I need to go through, pump it out a little bit. Still need to get a little corner there. Here's the spine. My knee. Now let's clean up the neck. Looking pretty good, at least for me here. Looking pretty tidy. Blending a little bit down there on the neck, and I think we achieved. This corner is a little hard for me, but I think I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so the neck is done. From the side, there's no goat going on here anymore. This is now coming down and following same direction. It's way easier to style this way. Step number 3 is the mustachio. Let's keep it natural, but nice and tidy, neat. Again, using this lovely comb. Gonna comb it down. And then trimmer again. Here we go. Using the corner of the clipper. First of all, I'm just going to take this annoying one in the middle. And then we're going in. All I want to do is have the moustache nice and tidy on the lip. Sorry guys, I dipped down there. Just trying to clean a little bit the middle. These gray hairs are wild. They grow such a weird, wiry shape. This is a good way to also check your mustache. Smile. And then you can just get those little ones. I am happy with that, I think. Alright, so that's step 3 done. The moustache nice and clean on the lip. Yeah, I don't like to trim too much ear and the lines, because once you start trimming in there and then they grow, you can see the dotted growth and you have to keep shaving and shaving and shaving, and hence why I stopped doing it. I usually go out and get a lady to thread those, which makes it look more natural than shaving. So if that's what I recommend you guys do if you want to keep the cheek lines and moustache more tidy. I'm good with it, how it looks natural. A couple just need to go. And these can be tamed with some moustache wax, some styling paste, so I'm not too bothered about them. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Step number 4, after you trimmed, your beard is nice and clean. Moisturize some utility oil. You see, it's gonna be fun because I only have one hand. Sorry guys, can't see me squirting the oil. Make sure you get in there and the hair, neck, behind the ears. Sometimes they get dry, and then just apply the rest of it to your face, to your ears. Just make the most of it. Again, comb the beard. You can use the comb to distribute that oil. Boom. So that's step number 4. It's looking pretty tidy. As you can see, there's a few wiry things going on. So step number 5 is how to tame these wiry things. And that, I'm going to use some styling paste. Don't need much. Tiny bit. Maybe not even that, but because I only have one hand, I'm going to spread it in my hand, in both hands, but probably just use one hand. And just apply over the beard. Straight away you see all of those untamed are starting to get tamed. Then grab your comb. And style at your liking. And voila guys, this is how I leave my beard looking neat and natural while still growing along again. Took a little bit of density, so a bit of recap. Took some of the neck beard out because it was looking a bit goat, and cleaned the neck, still the neckline. Left the cheeks pretty much natural, trimmed the moustache over the lip, conditioned it with some utility oil and styled it to tame all the wiry hairs and tamed hairs. And that's pretty much it. As always, stay cool. Until next time. Bye.